That's what I'm talking about. That is what I'm talking about. The beater boxes are back, man. Whew. That's a nice sneaker. Okay, I am officially hyped now. Anyway, let's get into the first shoe.
Yeah.
Hi YouTube, what is up? Untied Hawaii here, coming at you once again with your favorite series, the beater box series. I am stoked for this beater box because it is another high-end box. This box is going to be $1,735, so that's a lot. Hopefully we get some heat, because the last high-end box that was like around 15 or something like that, it didn't look good, guys. It didn't look good. You guys had a resounding negative vibe towards it, and you know what, I kind of felt the same way as well. It was a lot of hard to move shoes. It wasn't really good looking shoes. So hoping that we finally make a turn on these beater boxes recently and just hit it hard, you know, straight fire all the way. I don't know, that's wishful thinking at this point, so we gotta see. Before I say anything else though, I do want to give a huge shout out to the sponsor of today's video, these guys, Reshoevnator. You guys have probably heard of Reshoevnator before, but it's something that I've never actually used myself, so I've been kind of skeptical about it. Thankfully, the guys at Reshoevnator hooked it up and they sent over this ultimate kit, which apparently has everything that I need in order to clean the shoes in these beater boxes. If you take a look inside the box, it comes with a lot of cool stuff. Collapsible cleaning bowl, microfiber cloth. Obviously, probably the most important one for me in here is the advanced sneaker solution. A lot of brushes, it looks like, so that's pretty dope as well. Some Reshoevnator sneaker wipes. Very dope. Advanced deodorizer for stinky feet peoples. And we also got water and stain repellent, which, I mean, honestly, in Hawaii, that's pretty dope to have. That's what we got in the ultimate cleaning kit from Reshoevnator, and honestly, man, I'm pretty stoked to try the products out because we've been doing the beater box for, what, 2 years now? And if you guys think about it, in that time, I probably should have cleaned the shoes. But just between you and me, and I guess everybody watching this video, I have not cleaned one single shoe from the beater boxes. Not one. And I mean, that's probably on my own fault. I probably should clean them because it does raise the value and whatnot, but honestly, sometimes it's just hard to find good cleaners, and I don't want to spend money on something that's not going to work. But I decided to up my game and actually get some cleaners to see, does it make a difference on these sneakers? Can I sell it for more down the road because they're cleaner? I'm assuming yeah, but your boy has been slacking, so we got Reshoevnator on it today. So hopefully there's a shoe in this box that we can clean up, and yeah, we'll see how that goes. Anyway, let's take a look at what we got in this box. $1,735. Bruh. That's what I'm talking about. That is what I'm talking about. The beater boxes are back, man. Whew. That's a nice sneaker. Okay, I am officially hyped now. Anyway, let's get into the first shoe. So, first shoe out of the box, we have a Air Force 1 07 WB, size 11.5. Alright, so it looks like just a standard pair of Air Force 1 flats. These are actually in pretty good condition, man. Nothing wrong here. Not a lot of value, but like I said, we know where the value is, so good first shoe. Second shoe out of the box, we got a Nike Air Max 90, size 5. Oh, okay, cool. So these are the recent Atmos release, I believe. And you guys can see right there, it has like a lot of Nike shoe boxes in the background, which, I mean, it's a very, very nice shoe, to be honest. This one is, I think, dead stock too. So no idea how much the small sizes go for, but I'm sure it's not going for that much. Pretty clean shoe in my opinion still, and it is dead stock, so value is probably looking pretty good over here. Next one out is a WM NMD Trail PK. In the grossest size, and I mean that because it's a size that I've not seen too often. It's a 13.5. 13.5. Who fits a 13.5 out there, man? Okay, so these are like a pair of the Trails. Yeah, white mountaineering. So NMDs. Okay, so they're not dead stock. It looks like they've probably been tried on, which is unfortunate, but it's not too bad. It's a very clean sneaker still. I kind of like it. All right, so we're pulling out a $350 early, which is pretty good of a sign that the last shoe is gonna be super hyped. This one is in a size 6, which smaller size. So we got a pair of the green or olive 350s. This is in really good condition, actually. You guys can see that lettering in there, perfectly intact. Uppers look perfect. Bottoms, obviously not the greatest, but overall pretty intact and very solid. So nice clean shoe. I'm not sure how much size 6s go, but I'm sure it's a pretty good amount of money up on here. So we're making back that $1,735. That's the most important part. All right, 4 shoes left. Still super stoked over that last one. This one is an Ultra Boost, and I had this shoe before, and man, I kind of miss these. These are like the Oreo Ultra Boost, dude. And I used to like go to the gym all the time in these things because it's pretty functional colorway, man. Before they were like about 200 bucks, so that's cool if we can get that kind of money back. Okay, so we got a Jordan 1 box too. That is sick. Size 12. So it is a pair of the Jordan 1 black and whites. The black and whites are actually a really good Jordan 1, and the midsole usually isn't that hard to clean. So try our best to clean this up with the Rejuvenator, and hopefully it like makes it a lot more appealing, so we probably have a buyer for these things. So yeah, we'll see how that works. I've never done cleaning before, so hopefully I know how to clean things. Alright, so thanks to Rejuvenator, we're going to be using their ultimate kit in order to clean these Jordan 1 black and whites, man. There should be everything we need in here. First off, we're going to look at this collapsible folding bowl, which holds all your water and your soap and whatnot. Next, you got the Advanced Sneaker Solution by Rejuvenator. And the last thing we're going to need is the brush, of course, to scrub off all the dirt. And then once you pour the water over all of that dirty soap, you can already see the results, man. And as you guys can see, the final product looks amazing. Alright, so like you guys saw that finished product, it looks really, really clean, a lot better than what it was initially. So, and yeah, I mean, the Rejuvenator product is super easy to use. The Ultimate Kit has pretty much everything you need in there. And if you guys are interested in the Ultimate Kit or anything else from Rejuvenator, I highly suggest you guys use my code UNTIED10, where you get 10% off any of those cleaning products and anything on the Rejuvenator website. So use that, man. Use it, because if you guys are into reselling shoes, it is probably a lot better to clean it, and I'm gonna start doing that a lot more. So thank you to Rejuvenator for that, and yeah, it was a lot easier than I thought. I probably should have been taking like 20 seconds to clean my shoes. I'm still learning, guys. So yeah, let's get back to this beater box though. I'm gonna put that on the ground. This is not the last shoe, but it's a pretty heavy box. Jordan 17, okay. I didn't know Jordan 17s come in like a metal carrying case. This is pretty interesting. So I've never seen this before, but they have like a CD in here. I'm not sure what that's for, man. I think the 17s came out like early 2000s when I was not anywhere close to liking sneakers yet. And this colorway looks like some kind of like, I don't know, UNC blue or something like that. I'm gonna guess. I have no idea. You guys see it on the screen though. It does look dead stock, I believe, man. So I have no idea what the value is on this, but those bottoms are pristine. Uppers look completely clear. And again, I mean, it has this metal carrying case, and I'm assuming everything with it because that disc is still there. So hopefully we get some good money back on it. I kind of like this case. I wish I could sell it without giving the case away and I can keep this. But that's not how it works. All right, and so the last shoe in the box that I've been super hyped up since, I guess, the first couple seconds of this video, we got a pair of, bam, Yeezy 1s, Zen Grays, man. Probably my favorite colorway, to be honest, out of the ones. And it looks pretty immaculate in condition, man. Look at those bottoms. I mean, there's a little bit of dirt, but it's not too bad. Soles look perfect, and uppers look phenomenal, man. This is probably the cleanest Yeezy 1 I've ever seen. Insides look beautiful. I want to say it was tried on maybe once, dude, because this thing is beautiful. No box, obviously, but yeah, you don't see Yeezy 1s in this kind of condition anymore. So that is sick. Other shoe looks about the same. Sorry, I didn't even check the size. What size we got? Oh, it's a size 11 too. That's my size. See, I've heard a lot of weird things about these things where the midsole kind of breaks apart really easy just because of age and just, I guess, how it was like manufactured. But yeah, I'm not sure if I want to keep these or not. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. Should I keep these? Should I not? I might have to keep these. They're pretty clean. Anyway, that is it for this video, guys. I mean, what do you guys think about the box? It was pretty crazy, man. I think the Zen Grays will go for at least like close to $1,000. Another Yeezy, which is probably like another $300 or $400. Plus, we got a couple dead stock shoes. We got a clean pair of Jordan 1s now, thanks to Rejuvenator. Don't forget to use my code UNTIED10 if you guys are interested in cleaning products. And if you guys use that code, it does support me as well. So if you guys want to help the Untied Ohana, pick it up, man. You get discounts on cleaning products and you help me out. So yeah, use that code UNTIED10. Very, very good products. If you guys did enjoy this video, be sure to leave that like button down below. Subscribe to the channel if you guys have not already. But until next time, stay humble, stay blessed, take care, guys. I'll see you. Aloha. Shoots!